What is going on, boys and girls? So, back with another video. If you want to connect with me, just connect with me on Insta. I'll leave my links in the description box. So, just woke up, wanted to do a couple of questions and then get on with my day. So, this is one of my boys' paper. I'm helping him do correction, and this is actually maths, and it's a new kind of syllabus for them. It's OBE. But yeah, but this is just normal math. It's not like new math. It's just that the syllabus has they have put extra challenging, let's say, topics in there. These kind of topics you would find in ad maths. But anyway, so the question says we should simply simplify fully by rationalizing the denominator. So, most of you would not know what these are. Okay, let me not. But yeah, they are called surds, right? Surds are basically square roots of, let's say, non-square numbers. So you express them like this: non-square numbers. Any non-square number, right? If you have square root of 16, you know that it's obviously 4, but surds are always represented like that in the form of square roots. So for this one here, 2 over 3 root 2, we have to rationalize the denominator. How do you rationalize? Excuse me. How do you rationalize the denominator? Well, you multiply by the surd itself at the top and at the bottom, right? Since we have root 2 here, we're going to multiply by root 2 at the bottom and at the top, and you just apply. So 2 multiplies the root 2 like that, and then what happens is 3 root 2 is multiplied by root 2 like this. Yeah, so what happens is, if you remember indices, um, this is like the same thing. It's being squared, right? Okay, you could think about it in a lot of ways. So if the same number multiply itself, it's basically you squaring like that. And then we know that the root in index form is basically a half. So what happens when you have a power being raised to another power? What happens is that the powers multiply each other, which means half times 2 is basically 1, and then that's your answer. So whenever you multiply a root by a root, the root disappears, right? And you simplify it in that way, which means you're going to remain with 3 multiplying the 2 like that. And then you're going to end up with 2 root 2 over 6. You can simplify further. You know, with fractions, if you have 2 over 6, you can simplify it to 1 over 3. So this 2 here into 2 goes once, this 2 into 6 goes 3 times, which means you're going to be left with root 2 over 3. Yeah, you have simplified fully. He got the first one correct. That's very commendable. I don't know what happened here, but maybe he was constrained by time. Anyway, there you go. You have successfully rationalized the denominator.